Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you on my broadcast on USOIL WTI channel that I named. So I think uh, give me a few minutes. I think only one to make some translation movements. I want to see how it works and how do you hear me. Um, if you hear me, please write something or questions or something comments about the translation. I want to see what is happening with it. Mm. Hi to all that are connected. You okay? Thank you. I see that you are hear me. So now I write on my profile in Tradingview that I begin the translation, and we will start. Okay, I will write maybe later. Okay, good evening everyone. My name is Alexei. I live in Ukraine, and best of all, I like to trade USOIL, as you see from my Telegram channel or in my profile in Tradingview. So let's speak about the main perfect for me instrument about USOIL. Why I am looking for shorts every time for the next few weeks. I want to show you the daily future, not the forex instruments. I want to show you future, because future have real volume. Volume is the real money. So we need to see how much money uh, players spend to move price some direction. So what I see now, I see the price. I see the price pull back to today's strong resistance of 55.90, and it will always a lot of manipulation on daily levels. But I see that price can't move more higher from this daily resistance. So I see there are a lot of power of sellers here, and now we are tested from uh, from downside, another one tested, and after that I expect move down. Of course, USOIL, now I went back to 1 hour chart. Of course, in USOIL, as you see today, there are a lot of manipulation, but when the high daily level we the same as 1 hour level, there are a lot of power here on sellers. So also what I see also on daily chart, I want to show you another one thing. I want to show you the last wave down. The last wave down is from this high and this low, and if we want to see the one half of this set, it will be right in this area. So I expect, and from options level, I see that the main power of USOIL still down. Why I think so? Because highs are begin to be lower, and just still strong this support on 50 near 50 and 0.62 level. I think this support will still active for some time, but in the future it will be broken down. So as you see from trades today, if you see my trades on Telegram, if you see my trades on Tradingview here, I try to sell it. So it was one trade here, and I was stop out, but stop is a zero stop. I paid only fee, as I write in my in my Telegram and Tradingview, because I pay only for fee. There is no spread on my terminal. I trade the same numbers as you see on this chart. So there are a lot of you that brokers give you another one number, they're higher, but there are no the real brokers. They are just give you some numbers. There are only few brokers that need to trade there. They are mainly based in America, in Chicago. So why I always show you only futures and tell you about the futures, because futures have real numbers and have real volume. Real volume is real money. Now, as you see, there are very thin volume. There is no volume here, so there are no power to move higher, I think. So now my trade is active. My stop loss is high. I today make the second trade. The second trade is on was on 55.87, and I still expect a move down. Now I try to see what's happening in the chart. Okay, if you have some questions, if you're interested in something, there are I want to say you there are few weeks that in that USOIL is moving a lot of manipulation. Let's speak about this manipulation. This was only a tweet on Donald Trump. I do not like to talk about news, because news make the fake movement. As you see, from this level, I expect the move down the previous week. But when Donald says something is going terrible things, and we can't expect everything what's happened in the market. But what I can tell you today. Today I can tell you that is a fake movement to gather a lot of stops, because the main move is down, and all market players are still playing down. So the market do not like do everything make money, and such moments there are a lot of time to happen. But I see that is not the real buyers. When the news come, when there's something's going in the world, when the tankers explosions, or Donald speaks something, the next time we will see another direction move. So I expect the main move down. As you see, why I do not do today plan, because the plan of Friday is still active. As you see, I expect move down right from here, or the next time retest. As you see today, we see the retest one and second time, so it is enough to me to open short position. Now you see the price on 1 hour chart can't pass 1 hour resistance because there are a lot of strong sellers here, and next we will see the move down. So I will back to chart. Okay, if you have some question, if you have some question about my way of trading, why I talk about the volume, why I talk about the fake moves and other things about my way of trading, I can tell you everything that you want. Always, also you can if the you do not know what to ask now, you can also write me a private message on Facebook, on Telegram, on Tradingview. I trade not only USOIL, I trade many others instrument. And now I want, if you do not have question about USOIL, about crude, I want to make an analysis about the gold. Let's speak about gold. So we see on gold, what we see on the level. Be patient with the as you see, I began to make my analysis only with futures because I need to see what happens with the volume here. As you see in the downside of picture, you can see the volume indicator. It is the real volume. It means how many contracts was on that day trade. So if we see a lot of volume, if we see, that means that in that days was a lot of professional makes. So what we see, have a look, be patient with future, because future have most more higher more more numbers that in spot. There are 10 behind 10 of point behind them. So between them, so be patient. Let's have a look the first one on the daily chart on future. What we see here on 1530, there is a strong level here. It's happened. I will now scroll more left, and you see that it happened right from here. There is, as we tell in our analysis, in volume spread analysis, there is a liquidation. After liquidation, we see the strong move down. So when we pull back to point of broken liquidation, there are always reaction from here. And as you see, there is a strong move up here for a long time, signs from May, and of course right from here we we will see the pullback down. Of course, like in USOIL, you see on gold a lot of manipulation, and the same day was manipulation on gold. This is the day when the Donald speaks something in his Twitter. So what we see here on 1 hour chart, we see here that the price tries to make range between 1526 on spot market, and the nearest is 1487 near. So this level I will leave here because it is the point of 1/2 of this moment. So if the price move uh, to the 1 hour support, this 1 hour support, and after that will pull back for 1/2 is there is this level, and after that it will we will see move down. That will be a good opportunity to go another time for short, but now it can be the other movement. So as you see from my last analysis, I expect another retest from the highest level. So I will do nothing if now I will do nothing and will do nothing I think tomorrow because I do not see what the price will do. So I will expect for my plan like in USOIL to another one retest, and here it may be the fake breakout. It's the best will be best opportunity for a short, but if the price goes for the nearest 1 hour support here, after that we'll test this level and we'll make breakdown. I will try to watch for this level. So now I do not see what to do in gold. I just wait for the good position. The main move I expect down, and I think it will be for a long time, but it will be not fast. So I think they will go to retest this level. In the future market and in spot market, it will be test of now it will be test of near 1415. That is what I expect on USOIL. The best point, and finally I want to say in gold is to retest the highest point. I want to see another one retest because I think it will be here because a lot of people stay in shorts, and I think they need another one manipulation to make it out of the shorts. So now I will back to our chart, and if we see if will be any questions. So there is no question. Let's speak about euro. Let's speak about euro. If you want to now I make some analysis for other instrument today, it will be next euro, and after that I will speak about the S&P, mini S&P, what I expect on them. So now I want to show you, this is not euro, this is pound. Euro must be here it is. So what we see on euro future, be patient. The euro future is we see other numbers, they are higher than in the forex. In the future they are higher but it is not must be problem for you. The main that I want to show you that the movement As you see now, the price is at the lowest point of more than uh, signs from 217 year. So what happened here? Here is happen a simple thing, I think. Here we see the strong move down from this highest point, and now we are test the one half of this wave. And when we test one half of this wave and we see the reaction from here, that means that the move downtrend is not finished. So I think we will see move more down, but not for far. And I will make like this. I will make more. We see the move down here, and there is like that one movement, and after that the price will move up. But first of all, we need, when we came to daily level, there are always manipulation expected. Why it's happened? Because there are a lot of people who want to buy or sell if they see move right more down, and there are a lot of people that try to sell it. And of course now there are a lot of people that see that there are a lot of time of buying here. Here we see one wave up, here we see one wave, little wave up, and also people will expect here for a move up. But there are usually price move more down, after that make some manipulation and go up. So the main levels on euro, on future euro, is this high now. I will make a level here, make it. So what we need to see to make to change the move, we need to see such movement. I expect that movement, but if the price move from here up, we need to see break up, test, and after that the move up. So only in this case, only when price pass this uh, daily, it is a daily support, it will change the move, and only in this case. But I think it's we will need to some time to expect for the main move. I expect like this one, and after that I think, but I think they will back, make some range, and only after that will go up. So but the now I expect for the nearly future this, for the next continue move of down, and for the manipulation some like here. So is in the forex market it's the same. You see my plan on the forex market. If you came from Telegram, you maybe do not see this plan. I done this plan only on Tradingview, so subscribe to my profile and you will see a lot of these plans. So now I will back to our chat to make some, to see some question. There is no question here. So the last one instrument is S&P. Is S&P future. mini S&P future. So mini S&P future, we see, I want to begin from the daily chart. We see that the price makes some range. The range is between 2,963 and 2,880. So I expect for the another one-time retest of 200 and 2,963, and from this level I will try to short it. In Tradingview I cannot show you my positions, so I will wait for this one retest, and after that I will wait for next move down. Now you see that the price was broke down the 1 hour resistance and 2,980 to 2,869, make the manipulation like I expect in euro, and after that it will test in. Now it tests this daily strong daily resistance. So from this area, I expect maybe some manipulation, maybe higher, and after that strong move down. So that is what I am expecting on S&P future. So I think that's all for today. For translation, thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you for the watching for me, and there will be I think there will be not a lot of trades this week, because I will try to make more trades more clearly, more profitable. So the counts of trade will be less than in other weeks. I need to make more clearly enter and make more profitable trade. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, push likes, subscribe to channel on Telegram, on Tradingview, and let's pray together. Let's speak about the trades, ask you questions and private messages, ask about my way of trading if you're interested. Have a nice trading week, have a nice trading, have a nice trades, and wish you good luck. Thank you for watching. Bye.